to use lines of symmetry, cutting and gluing skills to make an incredible colour pop collage. Alright? I love this activity because you can do it with lots of different year groups. I've done it with year 2, I've done it with year 5. Just last week I did it with year 6. And it's brilliant because it's flexible and it involves a number of different skills. So if you're doing a project that's about colour, brilliant, this will work. But likewise, if you're learning about lines of symmetry, brilliant, this is a great way of articulating how that works. So let's have a look, see exactly how you make one. All right? I mean, that's really nice. Your pupils are going to love it because it's got the 2 lines of symmetry and you folded the paper twice. It really doesn't matter what kind of shapes they're cutting into it, because when they unfold it, you're going to have that magic when you see that pattern form. And if it's a problem for your pupils to cut, maybe they've not had enough practice, then this is the lesson where they're going to get that practice. Because what we forget is that art lessons are often the places where we can experiment and give our pupils the time to practice those skills so that they can then use them in other subjects and other areas of their life. You know, if we're cutting out shapes to do a maths exercise, a maths lesson isn't really the place to practice, but if they've done it in their art lesson, then that maths lesson is going to be a lot better. That's my thoughts anyway. But they're going to love it. The other great thing about it is that you can stick it on the window and the light will shine through and it looks wicked. And they are going to definitely want to take this home to have on their bedroom windows because they look ace. Now, if this has been in any way interesting, fun, enjoyable or useful, then please like, comment and share, and please make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring that little bell so that you're notified when I put more videos up online. Alright?